Two positions here this morning, and we are currently in the Euro US, and our prime indicators, if you will, that's a part of JETS Forex is a package, give us the signal here. The parabolic is here, the road, if you will, is giving a downtrend. The RSI and the stochastics are down also, and the money flow is down. Perfect trade. We are up on two positions, 13 cents a piece, but our take profit will be $2.33 a euro. It could be more for later, but we'll catch on with you with the videos. Simple strategy, simple forex strategy, if you will, that gets you true profits. It's a live account, if you will, and this is how we do it every day. Here at JETS Forex, we have the best forex course in the world, very affordable prices, if you will, and take advantage. And this video will be on our channel, our YouTube channel, as well as in the course. Okay, have consultations with us. My name is Sir J, signing off with JETS Forex. Okay, have a wonderful day, and I see you later on. Okay, thank you so much.